What on earth is going on?
Catch me! Catch me! Catch me! Oh, that was a close one.
What?
I just feel like the sessions are going by really fast. I mean, we're already on session 6.
I know. It always seems to go by so fast.
In this session, you're going to be diving into the scintillating world of Don Falcon's Pizza, based on a story by a real young storyteller.
Young Storytellers will examine these 2 images from the story's beginning and end, and figure out what happened, how the issue was resolved, and whether a lesson was learned.
This will lead to a larger discussion about resolutions and the importance of lessons in both stories and everyday life. Session 6 is also a great time for writers to start brainstorming possible titles and taglines for their scripts. They'll be diving in deeper next week, but this gives them a head start on their work.
And speaking of getting ahead, the head mentor can get a head start preparing for their big show by checking how many characters need to be cast in each story and whether any of their pairs need extra writing time.
Thanks again for joining us this morning, and we hope you have an exciting session 6 as these sessions continue to whiz by.
See you next week!